Alright everyone, we are in the stateroom here in the Disney Wish. This is a veranda room. My little boy is sleeping here. Don't mind him. He is a nice little Wish, but every room is going to be different but similar. So just keep that in mind when you're booking a room. We are on the 6th level in the aft, I believe. And I'll just go over a quick tour here for you guys. So this is a shower room. That's the toilet room. Obviously the front door. You have some closet space over here, and I'll go through all this stuff real quick. Alright, so toilet room is pretty small. You do have two different options for the lights. You have a night mode, which just has this underglow here, and then you have the main light, of course. So nothing much to see here. It's very tiny, small sink. There's a drain there in case, I guess, it gets wet or something. Or if your little baby has an accident, you need to spray it off. There's the AC unit. Not really intricate, but obviously it works. This is the shower area, so I wanted to go over a couple things here. So, of course, it's on the smaller side, but of course you're on a cruise ship. So this is kind of cool. The door, it opens forward and in, outward and in. So you can have it open out or into the shower, which comes in handy when you're giving your kids a little bath, which it is a shower and a bath combo. There's obviously a couple shelves here, but so the way to turn this on, I was kind of confused at first, but this one is the on lever, and the further you push it back, the higher the pressure is on there. So if you think you're not getting enough pressure on there, which, by the way, the shower does not have very good water pressure to begin with, just keep that in mind. There are 3, maybe 4 different settings on the shower head, but there's not very good pressure at all. So, but if you push this all the way back, it'll turn on. You got the pressure, you have it go faster, slower, whatever you want. This side here is a temperature, so push it forward for the cold and turn it downward for the hot. You can pick the water or the shower head out of here. You can take it out and rinse off, rinse your kids off, whatever. But if you pull it too far up, it'll start to kink here and shut off. They do have a little attachment here to keep it so no one runs off with it, I guess. And also another thing, it will get, so even if you have this door closed, there's a little seal in between here, but the floor will still get wet. So just be careful. There's a drain under there, but it'll get wet over here, it'll get wet pretty much everywhere. So just be careful when you're putting stuff up there. You don't want to, or putting stuff down there. If you plan on putting something back on, you don't want to get that all soaking wet. And this sink is deeper and a little wider than the other sink in the toilet room. So in case you need to rinse anything off in the sink, that would probably be the one to do it. All right, you come over here, you got a couple different closets. They come with robes. You have robes in the room. I don't believe there's an emblem or anything on them, or a logo. You do have the Mickey tag, but I haven't used those at all, so not sure what's on there, but there's good closet space. We have a family of 4, and there's enough for everyone. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves and a safe. And there's also a laundry bag that you can put your dirty clothes in, send it out for the laundry. It's pretty inexpensive. You do have to push, I forgot about that. This middle door, you have to push it that way to get this door open, or push it this way to get the other door open. But so another place to hang your stuff, put some shoes down there, and the lights turn on, of course. So the television has your name on it, which is kind of cool. And then you got live TV, you got on demand, different options there. Got a pretty good sized bed here. So you got light switches here, which control this light and that light separately. We got the Cinderella floor, I guess. But the room service, or the housekeeping, obviously turns down the place twice a day, which is nice. Up here is a bunk bed, so we were thinking that we could just have this, like, put it down ourselves, but apparently the housekeeping needs to bring it down, and then he does that every night, which is awesome because our daughter loves that. I'm not sure if this folds out or not. Haven't really tried it, but... And then you have a ton of space over here. There's a garbage and a recycling behind it. Sorry for the mess. You have some counter, there's some shelving there. A lot of different spaces. Oh, this here. So this is the refrigerator. Don't mind the drinks. But it doesn't cool down. Just a warning, it does not cool down. We were told that it works as a cooler. I'm not 100% sure if that's accurate or not. I've put ice in there, and the ice has kept it cold, but obviously the ice will melt if it's not generating cold air. So just be prepared for that. These ice packs are already not ice anymore. So it's not the best refrigerator. The crewmate that we spoke with, he said that all of the refrigerators are like that, and it's basically a cooler is what he said. So here's the veranda. There is a lock up here, which is nice for when you're with kids. You can lock it, unlock it. So this thing, you have to turn it. I don't know if you can hear that, but it makes a howling noise when it's unlocked. So you just pull it open, and you're out on your balcony, looking out at the beautiful ocean, of course. If you're with a bigger party, you can take these down. You have some, pretty sure these are for these, but we use them to hang up bathing suits. You have a couple chairs, a little table. And then, of course, the view is gonna vary from room to room. But this is our view. Safety boats there, so that is the Veranda stateroom. Oh, yeah, so the bed, it's high enough up to put a couple suitcases. We have a stroller under there, suitcases. So if you have bigger items, you could just put them under there. There's also space here, a little cushion thing. So you have enough space. There really is a lot of space in this room. They did a good job with the efficiency. So you shouldn't have to worry too much about that. They have USB ports. They have outlets. They do have a hairdryer, which you can. So the hairdryer's in here, and it plugs right into this plug there. So, but they have USB and outlets everywhere, which is nice. So you have more than enough spaces for that. And then you have reading lamps here. You can turn it on, you can move it. And then you have the regular lamp there. So that is the stateroom. Again, they're all going to be similar but different, of course. Especially the from veranda to ocean view to interior room to the big old penthouse suites. So yeah, just enjoy it. Have fun. Let me know if you have any questions. I will see you soon.